Jai Hind everyone. Today I given with the topic Indo-US relation. For better understanding, I have divided my topic into subparts: the history, the current scenario, and the challenges, way forward, and the conclusion. Now talk about the history. India and the US have had a very complex and dynamic relationship, a bond that evolved significantly in recent years. As geographically at a distance, they shared common democratic values. The diplomatic ties during the 1947, India's non-alignment policy kept it distance from both the superpowers during the Cold War. In 1970s and 80s, India's relationship with USSR and the US support for the Pakistan strained the relations. But after the reforms in the constitution as well as the end of the Cold War, improved the relation between India and the US. And US saw India as an economic potential partner and engaging starting slowly. The India-US Civil Nuclear Agreement in 2008 marked a milestone by achieving a deeper strategic alignment as well as the cooperation in various sectors like trade, defense, and technology. Now, talking about the current scenario, the trade is the main important thing in the relationship. So, as India and the US both are the robust economic country, and they both are the one of the major trade partner of each others. As we know, the US is the country which we have the most trade surplus. What we trade with him is like jewelries, chemical, fertilizers, and medicines, etc. Now talking about the defense collaboration, as we know, the US is the primary source for India's defense equipments. Like we can take an example of Apache, Chinook, and recently we have also placed order of MQ-9V drones. And also we can see the Striker used on India's border is from USA. And also we have the India and USA collaborating to make jet engines in India, starting their manufacturing. And also we have signed Sismoa and the Limoa agreement. Exchange of logistic can be there by refueling them. These are some example of the defense collaboration. Now we talk about the collaboration in science and technology. Like we can take an example of ISRO and NASA. They both with collaboration starting a Nizar satellite, and also they both signed the Artemis Accord to help Indian astronaut to send international space station. Now we can talk about some international group like G21, Quad, I2U2, and IMN. They both the nation are the part of these groups to help maintain the peace and stability in the Pacific region, and also addressing the global issues like terrorism, climate